I've just been in Easy Days' live stream, and yeah, I managed to stay awake for that. I know it looks terrible in here, as if I'm in prison or something, because of like that hingy thing on the wall. My room ain't bad. So I've got my bike down there, and here's an unboxing video. If I can set this just straight, yeah, really wide pupils. I haven't slept for so long. Unboxing video anyway. Where's the grip tab thing? Right, on this side. It was interesting to be in a live stream anyway. Straight into bin bag, because I'm keeping this place nice and tidy, even though like the frame rate is weird with this front camera. I thought this was a dildo or something. Nah. Let's go for red grips. People ask me why I have such long nails. Well, one thing is, it can rip open packages, even though like I just dug my nails in and then use my hands, or rather arms, to open it. Anyway, sweet. These are a nice red. God, fucking hot in here. Standard ODI long necks with a mushroom type of grip. So, because I messed up the grips that are currently on my bars of my bike, let's see how these work in a future video. Awesome.